Welcome. I'm going to be answering WAEC 2020 Chemistry Objective Past Question 12. Group 7 elements in their combined states are called A. Halogens, B. Anions, C. Halides, D. Cations. So we're looking at group 7 elements. Group 7 elements. And as the name implies, they are elements in group 7 of the periodic table. Now these elements are highly reactive and they usually have an state or require just one electron to achieve the octet state. So their number is -1, their valency is -1. Now, but we are asked what these group 7 elements are in their combined states. When they are found in combined states, what are they called? So let's look at each of the definitions of the options to see which of them fits into this description of group 7 elements in their combined states. Now, halogens are basically just the elements in group 7 of the periodic table. So the elements themselves in group 7 of the periodic table are known as halogens, just the elements. Now anions are basically just negatively charged ions. An example, we have the chloride ion. Now halides refers to halogens, that is group 7 elements in combined states, i.e., instance example, what that is, 1 part halogen, the other a less electronegative element. So you have e.g. chlorides, iodides, etc. And lastly, the cations. The cations are positively charged ions, e.g. you have the sodium ion or magnesium ion, etc. So from this definition, or the definitions we have given for the respective options, option C, which is halides, is what we described as halogens, or the group 7 elements in combined states. That is, when the halogens have reacted with a less electronegative element, they form what are known as halides, that is the halogens in the combined states. So group 7 elements, halogens in the combined states, are known as halides. Thank you, and please subscribe to this YouTube channel for more videos and for more past questions and answers.